Welcome to MarineMax Clearwater. This is Brian Bachland, and today I'll be walking you through the newest addition to the showroom, the 2018 Sea Ray 270 Sun Deck. This boat has the beautiful Sea Ray blue gel-coated hull sides, very nicely contrasting with the white gunnels, stainless rub rail, powered by a 300 horsepower Mercury Verado 4-stroke outboard. Stepping aboard, you'll notice the sea deck on the swim platform, very spacious rear sun lounge, flip up backrest, and lots of storage underneath. Wash down shower. We do have a water sports tow post as well as a boarding step. Tons of storage under all the very comfortable seating, integrated blue LED lighting. We do have the folding tower on this boat as well. On the floor we have the non-skid covered by the infinity woven carpet. Integrated Simrad in-dash Rockford Fosgate stereo. Over to the port we'll have the head with pump out porta potty and sink. Moving up to the bow, again, integrated blue LED lighting, additional speakers, and very comfortable and spacious seating. Flip down armrests. Last but not least, we do have anchor storage and a bow boarding ladder and another freshwater washdown. If you'd like more information about this boat or any others, please feel free to give me a call. Again, my name is Brian Bachland, MarineMax Clearwater, 813-503-2649. Give me a call, stop down to see this boat in more detail, or schedule a demo. Thank you very much and have a good day.